G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm going to test out these cheap, bought on eBay pivot levers on Zack's YZ compared to the expensive RHK levers that are on my YZ250. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, straight out of the box I've come to notice that they're actually quite a good finish. They have no rough casting edges and nothing seems to be, rough in any way. It looks like a good quality item. So let's see how they fit against these standard perches, and hopefully they fit good and everything works well. They actually seem like pretty good stuff, $28 on eBay. I'm impressed. These ones here cost $200 for the pair. These ones did come with the perch though on this side and this adjuster, and they also come with this nice little piece here, and about $200 compared to $28. If these break here, I think I'll be buying those for this bike, because $200, I don't see any better value in it than those $28 ones on eBay. Okay guys, they're fitted, they're installed, took very little time at all, 5 minutes, 10 tops. They feel good. $28 on eBay, I don't think you can beat them. I won't, if the ones on my YZ break, I won't replace them with them. $200, forget it. $28, that's the way to go. This is the standard perch that was on my YZ250. It's the exact same setup on the 85 as the 250, same master cylinder, everything, so the levers are all the same, and you can see that it is longer standard, so they are a little bit shorter, so that's less chance something's going to whack and grab them, but even if they do, they will flex around. So $28 guys, I'd definitely consider to purchase these cheap eBay made in China things. Obviously we'll see how they go when he has a few falls, but so far I'm impressed. Thanks for watching.